Chris Evans is done with acting. In a new interview with Variety, the star says he's ready to move behind the camera. I've known for a while I wanted to direct, but time never really opens up. There's another movie to do. There's another acting job. I can't see myself pursuing acting strictly outside of what I'm contractually obligated to do. Chris would be talking about his Marvel contract there, an ironclad 6-movie deal that kicked off in 2010 when Chris became Captain America. He's completed 3 movies as the superhero and starts filming his 4th, the Avengers sequel, soon. He should be done with the franchise by 2017. That'll mark the end of a nearly 20-year on-screen career for the actor who got his start in teen flicks like The Perfect Score, before becoming an action star in his first superhero franchise, The Fantastic Four, and a leading man in romantic comedies like The Nanny Diaries and 2011's What's Your Number? Chris has already started his transition from actor to director. He spent his winter hiatus directing and starring in the Indy 130 Train. They filmed the movie in just 19 days for $3 million. And as People notes, Chris might not be writing off acting for good. The actor says, who knows, in 5 years, he might change his mind. Thanks for watching. I'm Bryce Sander.